welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today this is going to be a quick video comparing two different USB Type-C to Lightning cables by Andobil. Andobil makes some of the best electronic accessories you can buy, and these cables are no exception, but they are two different cables, and we're just going to do a quick comparison so you can kind of see what the difference is between them. Now, the white one you see here, this is a 3-foot cable, and the outside is a soft material. It is a special material that they have designed so that it will withstand bending and not shred and tear over time, even with a lot of use. The ends, the actual bend, you know how you bend the ends a lot to get them to where you need to get them, are rated to withstand bending 30,000 times. So 30,000 times, that's pretty tough. And the cord itself is 3 foot long. Now on the other side we have this 6 foot long cable. Now this cable is made with a Kevlar fiber. It is a military grade nylon material. It is really super strong, but also still very flexible. This cable has a sort of a high-end look with that braided cable the way it is, but also this end is meant to withstand up to 40,000, around 40,000 bends before it starts to wear down. So that is extreme. That basically is going to last you as long as you need it to last, as long as you have this cable. Now this cable is again 6 feet in length, so it is a longer cable. It can get a little bit further, twice as far as the other one, obviously. But you do, on both these cables, you have these nice cable organizers that Andobil includes. They are attached. You can't take them off, but or at least this one you can take off. You can remove. The one on the 3-foot cable is permanently attached, and it just circles the cable. You can move it to where you need it, and then you can, it's Velcroed, and then you can just wrap it around. So if you need to use the cord in a shorter length, you can use the cable organizer that's included to wrap it up. Also, they do both come with this little nice sticky mount cable organizer thing that you can stick to something and run your cable through there to help get the cable exactly where you need it or hold it in place. And they both come with that. So that is what they have in common. Besides that, they are both M5 certified by Apple to work with all your Apple devices. So whether that's the iPhone 13 or any other previous generation of iPhone, as well as your AirPods or iPads, anything that uses the Lightning, this is M5 certified to work with that. So that is great as well. They are capable of high-speed charging at 3.0 amps and data transfer speeds of 480 megabits per second. So super fast charging is supported. If you connect this to a PD Type-C charger with 20 watts out, you will get that super fast charging of your device, as fast as Apple has equipped them to charge, and you can get super fast data transfer speeds when you connect this to your laptop or your MacBook or any device like that to transfer stuff from your iPad or iPhone to your computer. So both cables are capable of that, and then the major differences are 3 feet with this cable, 6 feet with this cable. This cable is made of the nice soft rubber material, withstands bending 30,000 times, and this is made of that military grade Kevlar material, braided nylon material, and withstands bending 40,000 times. But both cables are excellent cables by Andobil and really well made. They make great stuff, and whichever cable meets your needs, you can rest assured you're going to be very happy with either of these cables. Again, they are USB Type-C to Lightning cables for charging and data transfer, and they are by Andobil. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon, so you can click that link, jump over there, read what other people have said about it, pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.